DOTE.
Welcome to the basic tutorial on how to use the Media Manager in DOTE. In DOTE, when you have opened your project, you will first of all not see any videos attached to your current project. We have developed a powerful Media Manager which is located in the top left corner, and we will click on Media Manager. In Media Manager you can add as many files as you want to. We can add 360 files, we can add traditional 2D videos, we can also add audio clips. So we will first of all add a 360-degree video file. We can select this one. I will also illustrate that you can add different types of media files. So we can go and add a audio file. And this is, we can select this one. And now you see that the DOTE is actually automatically picking up that we have added different files. So based on the extension and the metadata in the individual file, you will see that DOTE is picking that up. So for our 360-degree video, we can play it in 360 or we can play it in 2D. DOTE will pick that up. We can select between different types of projections inside DOTE. And we can also see when we first added it and the file size of the media file. One important thing to notice here is that DOTE is actually asking of us whether we want to activate the individual file. If the file is not activated, then we will not be able to use it when we transcribe our media. So if I hit close here, you will see that we have one file inside DOTE, and you can see up here that the waveform was automatically generated inside DOTE. This is a 360-degree video that we can now work with and play. As you can also see, you can actually change between different media files inside DOTE. But as it is now, the other media file is not activated. So we will go to our Media Manager again, and here we will select and activate the second media file as well. So if I hit close, then we will actually be able to use the other media file, and this is only an audio file, so you will not see any video. And here you see the waveform was automatically generated, and now we can actually switch between the different media files that we have added through our Media Manager. Now I only want to work with the video in this case, so I will go back to the Media Manager, and then I can also delete selected media files from our project. So now I will just delete the audio file. And now we have the video file available for us to transcribe inside DOTE. There are more advanced features that we will be covering in an advanced tutorial, so please tune in on that in order to learn more about how to use the Media Manager inside DOTE.